we explore AS9100 training and why every aerospace business needs certified internal auditors. Aerospace quality demands precision, compliance and safety. Are you ready to meet standards? Lack of audit knowledge leads to errors, non-compliance and serious business risks. We provide complete AS9100 Internal Auditor Training designed for real industry applications. Training covers ISO 19011, auditing guidelines and AS9100 quality management requirements. Understand evolution of quality standards and why AS9100 is critical for aerospace industry. Learn risk-based thinking, product safety and prevention of critical quality failures. Master process approach, PDCA cycle and effective management system, implementation techniques. Understand complete audit process from planning, conducting, reporting and follow-up actions. Identify non-conformities, analyze root causes and suggest improvements for business excellence. Develop essential auditor skills, including communication, analytical thinking and reporting capabilities. Participants will attend a structured assessment test designed to evaluate audit knowledge. Successful candidates receive recognized internal auditor certification to boost career growth. Improve your organization performance, ensure compliance and enhance customer confidence effectively. Visit DaSskQMS.com today and enhance your design capabilities with our expert supporting services.